Hey there, festive friends! Welcome back to our cozy corner of holiday happiness. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Christmas decorations for your interior space. Whether you're a seasoned holiday decorator or a newbie looking to sprinkle some seasonal magic around your home, I've got you covered. Let's kick things off with the basics. When it comes to Christmas decorations, the classics are always in style. Think lush greenery, twinkling lights, and pops of red and gold. These timeless elements create a warm and inviting atmosphere that instantly puts everyone in the holiday spirit. The heart of your holiday decor is undoubtedly the Christmas tree. Whether you prefer the fresh scent of a real tree or the convenience of an artificial one, the options are endless. Classic ornaments, twinkling lights, and a tree topper of your choice are the staples. Consider themes like rustic, glam, or traditional to guide your ornament selection. Spruce up your space with wreaths and garlands. Hang a festive wreath on your front door, above the fireplace, or even as a centerpiece on your dining table. Garlands draped along banisters or mantels add a touch of Christmas charm. Look for pre-lit options for an extra dose of holiday sparkle. Consider DIY wreaths using materials like pine cones, berries, and ribbons for a personalized touch. Twinkling lights are the unsung heroes of Christmas decor. String them along your tree, drape them over mantels, or frame windows and doorways. Opt for warm white lights for a classic feel or experiment with colored lights for a playful touch. Use LED lights for energy efficiency and safety, and don't be afraid to mix different types for added visual interest. Now, let's talk about the exciting world of Christmas decor trends. Stay ahead of the curve with these fabulous ideas that are taking the festive scene by storm. Move over, traditional red and green. Neutral palettes with soft whites, creams, and metallics are stealing the spotlight. Think champagne gold, rose gold, and silver accents for a sophisticated and modern twist on classic Christmas colors. Incorporate cozy textures like faux fur and knit blankets to add warmth and depth to your neutral decor. Bring the outdoors in with nature-inspired decor. Think wooden ornaments, pinecone garlands, and wreaths adorned with berries and eucalyptus. This trend embraces the rustic charm of the winter wilderness. Nostalgia is in, and vintage Christmas decor is making a comeback. Dust off those heirloom ornaments, scour thrift stores for retro finds, and embrace the charm of bygone eras. Vintage-inspired ceramic figurines and ornaments add a touch of whimsy. Pick a color, any color. Monochromatic decor is a bold and trendy choice for the holidays. Choose a single hue, whether it's deep burgundy, icy blue, or emerald green, and run with it. This creates a cohesive and striking look throughout your space. Embrace the digital age with smart and tech-infused Christmas decor. LED lights with customizable color options, app-controlled decorations, and even interactive ornaments are taking center stage. This trend combines tradition with a touch of futuristic flair. Now that we've explored the basics and trends, let's talk about making your holiday decor uniquely yours. Infuse your space with memories by incorporating family keepsakes into your decor. Hang personalized ornaments, display handmade crafts from the kids, and create a photo gallery showcasing cherished holiday moments. Give each room its own festive flair by assigning unique themes. A winter wonderland in the living room, a gingerbread kitchen, and a snowy forest in the bedroom. Let your creativity run wild. This adds an element of surprise as guests move through your festive abode. Channel your inner elf and get crafty with some DIY decor. Handmade ornaments, personalized stockings, and DIY wreaths add a personal touch to your space. Plus, crafting is a fantastic way to bond with loved ones during the holiday season. Don't forget about your dining table, it's the perfect canvas for a holiday masterpiece. Create a stunning tablescape with festive table runners, elegant dinnerware, and thematic centerpieces. Consider incorporating seasonal elements like cinnamon sticks, pine cones, and miniature ornaments for a cohesive look. Place a small gift or personalized ornament at each setting for a charming touch and a memorable keepsake. The fireplace mantle is a focal point in many homes, and during the holidays, it's prime real estate for enchanting decor. Frame it with garlands, candles, and stockings hung with care. Add height variations with candlesticks or seasonal figurines for a visually appealing display. Elevate your holiday experience by engaging the senses, and what better way than through scent? Light seasonal candles with fragrances like pine, cinnamon, and vanilla. Consider using essential oil diffusers or simmer pots with citrus peels and spices for a natural and inviting aroma. Opt for flameless LED candles for safety, especially in homes with curious pets or little ones. Elevate the presentation of your presents by coordinating your gift wrapping with your overall decor theme. Whether it's classic, rustic, or modern, choose wrapping paper, ribbons, and gift tags that complement your chosen aesthetic. This not only adds to the visual appeal but also creates a cohesive look under the tree. Personalize gift tags with handwritten notes or individualized messages for an extra special touch. Don't neglect your windows, they're like the eyes of your home. Dress them up with festive window clings, fairy lights, or even DIY snowflake decals. This not only adds charm from the inside but also creates a welcoming facade for neighbors and passers-by. Introduce holiday-themed textiles to your living spaces for an extra layer of comfort and cheer. Swap out regular throw pillows for ones with festive prints or cozy textures. Drape blankets in seasonal colors over sofas and chairs to create an inviting and snug atmosphere. Mix and match textures like faux fur, knit, and velvet for a rich and visually interesting textile palette. Enrich your holiday ambience with the perfect soundtrack. Create a playlist with classic carols, contemporary holiday hits, or instrumental renditions. Background music sets the tone for your gatherings and adds an extra layer of warmth to your home. Consider incorporating smart speakers for seamless control of your festive playlist throughout your space. Beyond string lights, consider layering your lighting for a multidimensional effect. Use floor and table lamps with warm-toned bulbs to create cozy corners. Incorporate LED candles or fairy lights in glass containers for a soft and ethereal glow. The interplay of various light sources adds depth to your decor. Harness the power of mirrors to amplify your festive decor. Strategically place mirrors to reflect twinkling lights, ornaments, and the overall ambience. This not only enhances the visual appeal but also makes your space feel larger and more enchanting. Consider using mirrored trays for displaying candles or small holiday vignettes. Keep your holiday decor organized and easily accessible for future celebrations. Invest in storage bins with dividers for fragile ornaments, label each container, and store them in a dedicated area. This not only preserves the longevity of your decorations but also makes next year's setup a breeze. Use clear storage containers to easily identify the contents without opening each box. Elevate your decor by incorporating hanging elements. Suspend ornaments or greenery from the ceiling using clear fishing line for a whimsical effect. This works particularly well in entryways or areas with high ceilings, creating a captivating visual experience. Vary the heights and sizes of suspended elements for added visual interest. Engage your guests with interactive decor elements. Create a DIY hot cocoa or cookie station with jars of toppings and festive mugs. Alternatively, set up a photo booth area with holiday props for memorable snapshots. Interactive displays add an extra layer of fun to your gatherings. Incorporate a chalkboard or small whiteboard for guests to leave festive messages or drawings. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to Christmas decoration ideas and trends for its year. I hope you found inspiration for transforming your space into a holiday haven. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more festive content, and share your own decoration tips in the comments below. Wishing you all a holly, jolly, and absolutely fabulous holiday season. Until next time, happy decorating!